Straight down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, now we found a mystery bolt when draining the oil out of where the gauze filter goes. M35 long, 5 millimeters in diameter, in the bottom of the crankcase, which means going in right into the heart of my Classic 500. Step 1, according to the Royal Enfield Bible, remove the seat, then the petrol tank. These are 12mm. There's a spacer that goes behind the spring. Spacer and washer. This has a captured nut on the other side. This is also 12mm. Let's see. Should be free. Yes. Now I'm going to put the bolts back in where they came from so that I don't lose them. I do have containers for everything, but I think this is a safer way.